Hey guys, my name's Sanvi. I'm 15 years old and I'm super interested within the space of science and tech. Recently, I've been working on a super fun project, which is a tic-tac-toe game with an AI that plays optimally using Python. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I built the game, a little bit of the AI logic, and a little demo of how the game works. Let's get into it. I want to walk you guys through my code so you get a basic understanding of what it looks like and how it works. So I'm going to be going through each of the main functions, but if you want to go in depth to my code, I will be linking my GitHub repo in the description so you can go through that. Let's get straight into it. So initially I import only random, so no big imports. It's quite simple actually. And then we define the constants for the board. We have player X, which is the human player, and player O, which is the AI player. So our first function, def print board, prints the current state of the tic-tac-toe board. It prints each row with separators to make the board visually distinct, and it helps for players to see the current state of the game. So we have these lines to separate the different rows, and these lines to separate the different columns. So it kind of looks like cubicles, which I'll show right here. And next, we have our function for checking the winner. This detects if a player has won the game. It checks each row, column, and diagonal for 3 matching symbols in a line, just as you know your plain old tic-tac-toe. And it returns true if it finds a winner, but then if it doesn't, it returns false. And this is essential for ending the game when someone wins. Now I want to get to the most important part, the Minimax function. This is the AI's decision-making process. It's an algorithm that helps the AI play smartly by predicting those moves and outcomes. It checks if the game is over by returning a high score if the AI has won, or otherwise returning a low score if the AI has lost, and a neutral score if the board is full, but neither of them have won or lost, which is a draw, basically. So it alternates between maximizing for the AI and minimizing for the player. It makes sure that the AI chooses moves that either maximize its chances of winning or blocking the other players for winning. And it's sort of, what the algorithm does is checks each spot to assign it a different point system. Like if I put it here, then the other players are going to get an advantage, or if I put it here, then I'm going to get an advantage. And it sort of assesses that beforehand so it can make the best decision. And for this, we're going to have our define best move. For this one, it uses the Minimax results to make the AI's actual move. It goes through the open positions, what I kind of said before, and it gives the O in the spot that gives the AI the best chance of winning. And now the final one that I'm going to be talking about, the player move. The player move takes and validates the human player's move. It asks the player to input a number between 1 to 9, or type Q to quit, a little fancy thing I added there. And it converts this input into a row or a column on the board. And if the chosen spot is already taken, it asks the user to try again and opens up the input. It ensures a smooth and interactive gameplay for the player. One of the biggest ones that I want to go through but I won't be able to is the play game, which is literally the main function to start and control the game. So if you're someone who wants to look at this game deeply, I suggest you really go through this and sort of find out each and every part of it. So now on to everybody's favorite part, the quick demo of the game. So I'm going to walk you guys through how my game works in command prompt. So let's find my thing and run the file. So welcome to Tic-Tac-Toe. Right here, choose the game mode, 1 player versus AI, 2 player versus player. We're going to do AI. Choose AI difficulty from 1 to 3, easy, medium, hard. I'm going to do 1 for each. Let's start with easy. So enter my move from 1 to 9. I think 5. That's like the best option. And we have A at the bottom. Let's do 9. I want to get a diagonal one. And it blocked me. But I can trap it. Hold on, I found a way. See, it's trying to compete with me for that spot. Where did I go? There you go. I won. So now we're going to run it again. main.py. And there's AI. And this time we're going to try medium. So let's do 3. And I'm going to choose 9. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. So I can trap it again. Actually, I'm going to keep winning. I'm tied. Okay, let's see. Let's do player X wins. Again, that's me. I swear guys, it has lost before, but it's deciding it does not want to anymore. I mean, I have lost before. Let's try hard. So we got, let me try from a different spot this time. Maybe middle spot actually. Let's try 4. Let's do the other middle spot, see if I can get in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna block it now because I want to block it there too. It's sort of a defense mode today rather than attacking, so. Okay. Good job, me this time. Yeah, that's how the game works in a basic sort of idea.